How to get your LinkedIn profile URL or your profile link. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pivan Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get your LinkedIn URL or profile link. Now I'll be showing you here on the application. If you want a separate video on your desktop browser, then I'll make a video on it. Do not forget to comment down below. Now, in order to get your profile URL on the application, what you can do is you can open up the LinkedIn application, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you can tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and from here you want to tap on view profile option. Once under view profile, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots option that you'll see beside the add section option. You can see that three dots option right here. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can see share profile via option. You can see via message or via. You want to simply tap on share profile via, and then it'll give you an option to copy link. You can see my link right here, and you can see the copy option right here. You can tap on it and you can copy it. Now once you've copied it, you can share it with others easily. So if I just tap and paste it here, you can see my profile will load up and I can share it here, and anyone who want to access my profile can access through this link directly. So this is the way that you can get the LinkedIn URL or profile link. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.